Hi guys, DK here. We're out of the studio today on site. I'm delighted to be outside in the cold. I'm here with Mike. Tell us a little bit about the saw.
So this is the larger Evolution saw, mitre saw, dual bevel. I'm doing the pack cutting and I'm pack cutting these, which are sprockets, because I've won the job of a soffit fascia and re-roof on this property. But I always whip this out for the bigger jobs.
Okay.
So this is a 4x8 sleeper. And it's perfectly smooth. It's got that a lot more power. And because there's a lot more of the cordless saws coming out and the cordless tools coming out, it just makes the job so much easier.
Yeah.